somebody actually is in need of this, because for some reasons, like I said, the edited video got deleted. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome if this is your first time here. Today I'm going to be sharing you 5 apps I use on my phone. It's actually an Android and it's a Samsung A30s. You're welcome back to my channel, and you're welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. Tomiwa, and I do everything about sewing. I do tutorials on DIY outfits, basically anything about sewing. And I'm actually thinking of adding lifestyles to my videos. So if you like something like that, let me know down in the comment section what you really think about that. And I really can't believe I had to come back here to do this video over again. For some reasons, I got to delete the former one I did. I was editing and there wasn't space on my phone, and I just deleted the original file and just come back here. But then it's actually a good reason to come back here, because you guys have been so wonderful. I really do appreciate comments. I appreciate you coming back for more content. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. I do not take it for granted. So today I'm actually gonna be filming a video about 5 apps that I use on my phone that actually helped me in my sewing and basically my life in general. And also I'm going to be announcing and giving information on FEYI Max giveaway. She's a YouTuber, and she does videos and everything about Canada, lifestyle in Canada, relocating to Canada from any country. Yeah, I think so, but mostly she gives information about relocating to Canada, a lifestyle in Canada, anything you know about, anything you need to know about Canada. She vlogs about it, and it really does make sense to me. So she's doing a giveaway, and I'll be giving the information, and I'll be giving out information about it at the end of this video. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So talking about the 5 apps that I use on my phone, on my Android phone. Let me be specific in case there's an iPhone user that's actually watching this video. I use an Android phone, a Samsung A30s. Yes, Samsung A30s. And those 5 apps are actually, the first one I have the Pinterest app, and the second one I have Snapseed. The third I have Canva app. The fourth one I have the Pumpy app, and the 5th one is the Piggyvest app. Piggyvest app is actually a saving app. So talking about the app in full now, the Pinterest app is a very informative app. I mean, it's cut across all areas of life. It's a kind of search, a kind of search engine app, and it's basically in pictures. So it's like the it's kind of interactive, because you feel like there's this vibe it gives when you're using Pinterest. It's on a different level. It's very, 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 very useful, and I use it particularly for looking out for tutorials, or I need probably a little help, or then I'm looking for it's a kind of mood board on its own. You're looking for inspirations, you can just go there and use it. It's cuts across all areas of life. I'm saying that, so don't just think basically it's because I'm doing fashion design. No, it cuts across all areas of life. Pinterest is one very good app that I've been using for the past, if not more than 5 years now. Yes, and I really do enjoy using the app, and I give them a 5/5. Yes, Pinterest is a very lovely app. So going straight into the second one, I have the Snapseed app. Yes, Snapseed is actually a picture editing app, and it's quite good based on the fact that if you take a picture and you probably need to touch it, like now, I don't know if maybe I can just, I don't know, but I can't really go deep down into how to use the app. But then the editing is no, it's top notch. It's different from other apps I've been using, and it's quite different and it's quite very useful. I don't know if you've used it, if you've used Snapseed, or if you use it. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about it and if it's very useful for you. So I've been using Snapseed for let me say a year now. Yes, a year now, and Snapseed is quite good. I give them a 5/5 too. It's good, but I think there's a part you need to subscribe to get more options on the app. There's a particular part, but without subscribing, Snapseed is quite very easy for you to use, and you get much value for it. And the third one is the Canva app. Wow, Canva app has actually I can really remember when the first time I was using Canva. The first time I used Canva was when I opened YouTube, when I needed help with creating my YouTube thumbnails and the likes, my YouTube banner art, and that was when I knew about Canva. It was my friend that actually told me about it, and since then I've been using Canva for my thumbnails. But then Canva is not only restricted to YouTube thumbnails, you can also use it to design and one very good thing about I noticed about Canva is they have ready-made templates for you to use right on the app. You can either use the desktop, but for me I particularly like the desktop option. That you going to with your laptop, it's quite more, you have more access to more options than when you're using the app on the phone. But regardless, if you do not have a laptop, you can use it on your phone and it's quite helpful. But then I personally feel the desktop option has more options than the phone app to me. And Canva also has subscription. You have to subscribe to get some premium images, and instead of you paying, it's not credit, or what did they call it for me? Sorry, you need to just do some. I think there's one for monthly and there's one for yearly, and I can't remember if it's 25% off, or I can't really remember, but I know there's a particular percentage off if you subscribe per yearly. Then what again, if the benefits of subscribing yearly, I think, is you get the resize option. Let's say if you do a particular design, you can actually resize it. So let's say I'm doing a design on my YouTube thumbnail and I want to post it on Facebook, I want to post it on Instagram, I want to post it on Twitter, I want to post it on my Instagram story. I can actually just resize it. Because I've subscribed, I can resize it to to post on my Twitter platform, to post on my social Facebook, to post on my Instagram. It's quite useful and understandable. But then if you're not subscribed, I think you would probably have to probably design it differently. Like go on the Instagram story, look for a template and design, go on that. I mean, just look at that kind of stress you have to go through because you're not actually subscribed to it. But then if you don't have the funds, you can just use the free option, and it's so cool. And the one is the Pumpy. Pumpy, I've been using Pumpy more than a year now. Yeah, more than a year now. Then I use Pumpy to recharge my phone, and I use it to pay bills. One very good thing about Pumpy is it gives you discounts, and there are these coupon codes you get that actually makes you spend less. Let's say you're supposed to spend 8,000 naira, you might actually end up spending 900 naira, 950, and the likes, depending on the range of what you're doing. But then Pumpy is quite helpful, and yeah, it really does help me to save instead of spending the original amount. Then also I have the Piggyvest app on my phone. That one is actually for saving, basically for saving. There's an investment option there, but I've never tried it out, so I'm not saying anything about that. But I use Piggyvest to save, mean that there's an option for you to register your auto save, meaning that every 5th of a month, okay, you guys should remove probably 2,000 naira from your account and credit your Piggyvest. You probably link it with your bank account, and then you get debited from your bank and credit your Piggyvest. And another thing I noticed about Piggyvest is once you sorry, once you register on for the auto save, and you're paying, I think they give points for savings above 2,000 naira. Yes, the points start counting from 2,000 naira. They give you points, and those points are actually to inculcate the habit of savings. Those points can be saved throughout the year or monthly, then you convert it back to cash. That is another thing. And at the end of the month, they pay interest on the amount of savings you have in your Piggyvest account. So that's gonna be all on my 5 apps I use on my phone that actually helps me in my sewing and in my life generally. So now moving to FEYI Max giveaway. Actually, this video I'm making is not affiliated to FEYI Max, and I don't know FEYI Max. I just subscribed to a channel and I got a notification. She did a video, was it on Saturday? Yes, it was on Saturday that she posted the video and she announced the giveaway she's having. And so kind of her to actually reach out to Nigerians right now, because the past 2 weeks has been trying for Nigerians. We have this protest, we have been protesting against the ending of SARS and ending of police brutality. We are actually humans and we shouldn't be treated like animals. So we're actually lending out our voice, and we just want to have a voice. We are youth. If you want to know more about, I'm going to leave a link to the hashtag that you can actually check out on Twitter about it. So FEYI Max is actually reaching out to Nigerians because after the protest went on, a lot happened, going to the killings and looting of shrubs, closing down, curfew. A lot has really happened, and FEYI Max is actually reaching out in her own capacity. She actually feels this is very little, but to me it does mean a lot, because I mean very little people are actually coming out to actually help people right now. So FEYI Max is doing a giveaway, and it's actually in 3 rounds. The first round is a cash giveaway, and the second one you have the IELTS sponsorship. Then the third one we have consulting sponsorship. The first round is strictly cash, and that one it goes to everybody. But the remaining rounds, like she said, it's strictly for people that have been planning to move to Canada. So if you've not had it in plans, you've not had it in mind to move to Canada, please and please leave this for the people that actually are in need of it, because I know the price of writing the exam fee for IELTS is quite high. It's on the high side. So imagine if someone has written it and the band score was kind of low and they couldn't meet up. So she's actually reaching out. Like, you tell her under the comments on Instagram. Let me not go deep down into that now. I'm going to do that after the end of the video. Then the third one is she's yeah, I think Moyo of Canada and Lawyer of Canada. I really can't remember. Actually in helping her also to give out to the people of Nigeria, and they are giving out free consultation actually to, I think one is initial consultation and the other one is full consultation. I really don't know. I'm gonna leave the flyer somewhere around here in the video. So all you just need to do is go to our Instagram account. Now this is about how to win. You go to our Instagram account. I'll leave a link in the description box for that. What you need to do is go to our Instagram account, follow her. Also, I'll leave a link to our YouTube channel in the description box. Also, you go to our YouTube channel and subscribe to the channel, and you need to comment under, she said you can actually comment under any of the YouTube videos, but I am more particular. Maybe you should comment under the particular video that she made, and I'll try as much as possible to link it. But then if I've linked her channel, you can just check it. I think it's one of the most recent video, because it's on Saturday she uploaded it. She has not uploaded any video up to this moment, and I feel that is going to be a recent one. I can't really remember the topic, but just check it. I'll leave a link to our channel down below, so you leave a comment on that and you submit your sections, and also leave a comment on the Instagram post about the giveaway. Then I think there's some other people that are in affiliation with the giveaway, maybe Soreni, I can't really remember. So I'm just going to be leaving the flyer up here and the link to my Instagram post, so you can actually check it out for yourself. I mean, hear from the horse's mouth. It's kind of easier to hear from her than me actually talking about it. I'm just giving an hint that okay, FEYI Mark is doing a giveaway, and it's so nice of her at this time. And I don't know, maybe somebody actually is in need of this, because for some reasons, like I said, the edited video got deleted or got corrupted. I don't even know, or I just had to just summon the courage and still come back here and do this video, because I don't know who's in need of it. If you're the one in need of it, just take good advantage of it, please and please. The second and third round, as she said, is only for people that have been planning to move from Nigeria to Canada. Please, it's only for people that have been planning for moving to Canada from Nigeria. Please, it's strictly for Nigerians. She's just trying to reach out to Nigerians in these trying times. So I think I've covered everything, and I'm going to be leaving the link to our channel and Instagram under my description box. So I think that's all for the giveaway. FEYI Mark, I just want to say thank you very much for thinking of reaching to Nigerians in this particular time. We really do appreciate it. And saying thank you on behalf of Nigerians. Yes, of course, I'm a Nigerian, and don't be surprised if I'm not that busy giveaway, because alright, jokes apart, so I've come to the end of the video. If you've liked this video, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down in the description box. And also, what are you waiting for? Sure, saints. What are you waiting for? Okay, so what you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're yet to subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell right beside it, so you get notified on my next upload. Bye guys, and I remain your favorite girl, Samira. I remain your favorite